Hey everybody, it is Brett Glover here with Real Life Trading Military, bringing you a setup that I'm going to be watching here over the next couple of weeks. With the indexes kind of where they are, a little bit more volatile, the market hasn't really picked a direction. I'm just kind of building out watch lists for different stocks that I think could perform if the indices turn around. And so team right now has my attention. Just taking a look here at the weekly chart. You know, we have a nice trend line that's being held here, a nice 5-wave structure up. We had our COVID correction here, and I think we could be in wave 3 currently with a bit of a 1-2 setup here. If we flip the moving averages on, we do have this 100 simple on the weekly chart, also pushing up, getting ready to support price and hold this trend line as well, at least hopefully. And then we had some nice volume last week. If we flip those off, drop down to the daily chart, our last earnings, or maybe it was two earnings before that, we had a nice earnings gap here, some big volume, price traded up, and I'm at least for now seeing a bit of an ABC correction. And again, we have that weekly 100 pushing up and this trend line here. Then we had some good volume coming in on Friday after a good earnings as well. And so I don't necessarily see a play on this right away. But what I am going to be watching for is for the chart to build out a little bit. And so what I do think is going to happen is for prices to trade up like this, come back down, maybe base around here a little bit, and start to move back up. And we can form a bit of an inverse head and shoulders pattern and potentially get a breakout and have price move higher from there. So again, that's what I'm hoping is going to happen. That's kind of what I'm going to be watching for. You might be able to find some short-term opportunities up through here. But ultimately, you know, I do think Team is a good company. Looked like they had good earnings. And so this is one that, again, it's going to be on my watch list. Not necessarily anything actionable right now, but certainly something to keep in mind. So, again, I appreciate you listening. If you have any questions, reach out to anybody in the room, anybody at RLT Military. And as always, have a wonderful trading week.